Your grandma's furniture was cut from trees older than America. The joints, no glue, no nails, just wood cut so perfectly it locks into itself like a puzzle and gets tighter over time. Meanwhile, your flat pack dresser from 2021 is already wobbling. It's made from compressed sawdust and optimism. The Allen wrench they include is sized specifically to strip the bolt on the last step. Her Pyrex mixing bowls, borosilicate glass, the same stuff scientists used in labs because it laughs at temperature changes. In 1998, Pyrex quietly switched to cheaper glass and didn't tell anyone. Same logo, same brand, now it explodes in ovens. There are entire online communities documenting this. The vintage stuff sits in thrift stores for $3 completely unbothered after 80 years. A good pair of leather boots was built to outlive you. Goodyear welt construction means when the sole wears out, a cobbler replaces it. The boot never dies. Your sneakers, day one is the best day. The foam compresses, the glue lets go, and by month 12, you're that person walking with the sole flapping open. That's not bad luck. That's the design working exactly as intended. Cast iron skillets get better every time you cook. The oil bakes into the surface, creating a natural non-stick coating. The more you use it, the more non-stick it becomes. The pan your grandma cooked on every day for 40 years was basically a super weapon. Meanwhile, your non-stick pan started flaking chemicals into your food at 18 months. People throw cast iron away because they see rust and panic. Rust on cast iron is barely an inconvenience. Scrub, oil, oven, done. A mechanical watch has no battery, no software updates, no charging port. It runs on the energy of your wrist moving through air. Some built in the 1800s are still running today. Your smartwatch from 2021 is already struggling to hold a charge. In 10 years, the company might not exist. It'll be a dead black rectangle on your wrist, and then there's the cast iron bathtub your grandparents had. The one that took 6 men to move, porcelain bonded to iron at 1,400 degrees, basically ceramic armor. People ripped them out, not because they cracked, not because they failed, because someone on a home renovation show said avocado green was out of style. A perfectly indestructible bathtub in a landfill, still perfect, still completely unbothered.